Confidence what I have developed over a period of time and the commitment from the management or the group from Century, I am very comfortable with them. And the pricing, all other aspects I am very happy. Investment is there with Century in Saras, Ethos. I have interacted with your chairman, Sri Dayanand Pai. He was the force to me to invest in Century, and then followed by Ravi sir and Mahesh sir. And the commitment, it is mutually, it is so well tuned. The confidence level I have with the Century Group, I think nobody can disturb that confidence level. With all our infrastructure coming here with the airport and with this aerospace division also, I think this is the place, and a lot of SEZs are coming. So that was the idea. In fact, I had that vision. Things may, because of that airport when he started, overall growth will be here. One is the distance. I can consider Ethos as heart of the city now. That is one major plus point. And my family is concerned, my wife, my children told, this is the place with RMC coming in, with the Galleria Mall and all. You need not move out of this place. That is one major criteria why we decided to invest in Ethos. It is a very well planned strategy by the management team. Whenever they have picked up the land, they have really thought, I think 20 years ahead, and they have planned the land. So I think that is the thing we have to appreciate Century Group. Really, I appreciate the construction. They don't compromise. So even in Saras, I have experienced that. The material what they use, they don't compromise in that. And the finish what they give, end of the day, it is fantastic. Once you interact with Century team, a customer like me, the wavelength matches, and you don't feel like going out or thinking about any other builder to invest. That is my experience also. When I invested, I told a lot of my friends, my relatives, to invest here, and over a period of time you will really enjoy if you want to live also or on investment returns also.